Have you ever felt like you need to watch something very closely? Maybe your mischievous pet? Today, we are learning a very useful idiom. Knowing how to keep tabs on things will help you sound more natural in English and stay organized. Let's dive in. Meet Tom. His friend asked him to keep tabs on the cat while she was away. Tom was very confused. He thought he had to put actual paper tabs on the cat. He spent the whole day trying to stick them on. Poor cat. Of course, keep tabs on doesn't mean using paper tabs. It means to monitor or watch something or someone very closely. It comes from old taverns where they kept a tab or a record of what people owed. You are keeping a record of what is happening. Now, let's see it used correctly. Sarah is a manager. She needs to keep tabs on the project's progress to make sure it's on time. She checks the reports every day. She isn't sticking paper on her team. She is just watching the work carefully. Here's an example. I need to keep tabs on my spending this month. This means I need to watch my money carefully. Another one. The teacher keeps tabs on her students' homework. She is monitoring their work to help them learn. To remember this, think of tabs as tracks. When you keep tabs, you keep track of what is happening, just like binoculars. Did you know this phrase became very popular in the early 1900s? It reflects how much we value staying organized and informed. You often hear it in detective movies or spy stories when someone is being followed or watched secretly. Similar sayings include keep an eye on, keep track of, or watch like a hawk. They all mean watching closely. Opposites are lose track of, ignore, or turn a blind eye. These mean you are not watching. Related phrases are stay on top of, check up on, or simply monitor. Each has a slightly different feeling. A common mistake is saying keep tabs of. Remember, the correct preposition is always on. Keep tabs on something. Be careful. Using it too much about people might sound like you are being too bossy or controlling. Use it mostly for tasks or work. Time for a quick quiz. Which sentence is correct? Is it A, B, or C? I'll give you a moment to think. The correct answer is B. We always say keep tabs on something. Great job if you got it right. To wrap up, keep tabs on means to monitor closely. It helps you stay organized and communicate clearly in the workplace or at home. Now it's your turn. What do you need to keep tabs on this week? Tell us in the comments below. I love reading your stories. If you enjoyed today's content, please like and subscribe or support us with super thanks. See you in the next video.